Fixing climate meltdown and biodiversity collapse are essential if we're to have a livable future. But if we're to do this, at the same time, many people who don't even recognise these existential threats as real will need to be shown realistic routes to a better life, a future with higher incomes, affordable housing, healthier economies, and more. My years of campaigning have shown me that both these things can be done simultaneously, in principle, via projects that show the way. Solutions exemplars. Actual and potential examples of solutions exemplars are all around us in the modern world. My favourite combines forests, nature restoration, and timber buildings. I think of it as a nature prosperity pump. In essence, it's simple. We grow and restore far more forests than we have today. We do that in ways that enhance biodiversity, not deplete it. We harvest the timber sustainably, planting and regenerating more trees than we fell. We use the timber in off-site constructed, flat-packed buildings of so-called passive house standard. Think uniquely comfortable buildings with low or zero energy bills. Some nations do elements of all this already, not least Japan, but we need to do it on a massive scale in multiple countries. If we do, we bring into play a vital tool to help fix climate, because each cubic metre of wood contains around a tonne of carbon dioxide pumped out of the atmosphere. Put the wood into buildings and carbon storage can be almost guaranteed long term, because wooden buildings can be recycled. Along the way, we help stop and reverse biodiversity collapse because we plant and manage the forests in ways that do that. Crucially, we show everyone, including those who deny the crisis in nature, a clear route to a job-rich future in a nature-based economy where prosperity grows and inequality can be slashed. Why is that last bit vital? Because democracy is under dire threat in the modern world. Anger over rampant inequality is doing much to drive that threat. Historically, democracies have done most of the leadership whenever and wherever environmental protection measures are brought in. So failure to protect democracy is increasingly failure to protect the planet. Nature prosperity pumps would help increase environmental protection, boost prosperity, cut inequality, and protect democracy, all at the same time.